Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to HDMI output port automatic switching function of AP-VPC300 Full HD video conference codec. AP-VPC300 is telephony-style Full HD video conference codec that supports a high definition and high-quality video communication using the internet. AP-VPC300 supports a Full HD video conferencing as well as a basic IP telephony feature. AP-VPC300 telephony-style Full HD video codec supports SIP, H.323 multi-VoIP signaling protocols, and various video codecs like H.264, H.263, and MPEG-4. And AP-VPC300 supports 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. AP-VPC300 supports HDMI input and HDMI output interface to connect an external Full HD camera and a Full HD TV or monitor. AP-VPC300 Full HD video conferencing video codec supports HDMI output interface automatic switching function. This function is used to switch LCD screens efficiently when single LCD monitor is used together with a PC and AP-VPC300 using an HDMI selector. For example, when not making call, the monitor is basically used as an external monitor for a PC or notebook. And when making a video call, it automatically switches the LCD monitor to the AP-VPC300. This is demonstration about AP-VPC300 HDMI video output automatic switching function.
Can I have meeting now?
Okay, I will go there soon. Hi, we have a meeting tomorrow, so could you come to my office tomorrow morning?
Okay.
Okay, see you in the time.